Welcome to my new video. Is a salvaged SMPS from a scrapped PC is useful? Certainly yes. I am using this as a test bench power supply. The conversion process is fairly simple. We shall see how this is done. This SMPS is rated for 200 watts. We can draw 15 amps at 5 volts and 6 amps at 12 volts. This gives us a loading of about 75%. The modification is fairly simple. All flying leads with the connectors to be trimmed to the required length and connected to the banana sockets. To accommodate the sockets, a suitable front panel to be made. A PVC sheet of 45 x 150 mm is used for the front panel base. Necessary drilling of holes for the banana sockets, power switch and 12 volt power sockets were done. A label for front panel is made. Now the front panel is ready for wiring. We need about 2.5 inch long screws to fix the front panel with enough clearance from the SMPS case. The fixing holes on the SMPS case were already drilled. We shall assemble back all the components. We need yellow, red and black wires only for our project. Yellow is 12 volt, red is 5 volt and black being common ground for both 12 and 5 volts. Now the wires need to be cut to our requirement for terminating on the sockets. The wires are soldered to the respective tabs of the sockets. and the tabs are fixed back. Wiring is completed. When assembled, one of the screw was found extending close to the power capacitor. The length of the screw was shortened and fixed back. We shall now test our bench power supply. 5 volt is okay. $12 is also okay. We shall load the 12 volt with a terminal. Working fine. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and give a like if the video is useful to you.